So we just had some arb logs coming in. Ray's just there with the riddle bucket. It's basically a bucket with sort of prongs on it, and he's just pulling it apart, trying to clean it out. There's a lot of dust and garbage in this, and once he sort of moved it from one side to the other, that's a much cleaner part, you can probably see. So yeah, he's just picking these bits up and handling them over, and hopefully every time he picks them up, it loses some of this the crap that's in it through the riddle bars, basically, on the bucket. So yeah, that's just trying to reuse stuff that's come from people. Slow job. Probably be better if we had a little mini digger and a grab. I'd like to see the old budget can afford one of those. So you can just sit there on the mini digger and just pick out the logs. But that's not doing a terrible job. Too much in that. It's not going through the bars at all. So clogged it up. I'm going to have to have another bite of that. Okay, so here it's all finished. This is what we pulled out of the arb. And they're all the clean logs. Ready for chipping. Clean that all up now. Here's another angle of our clean logs, so they'll be alright to yeah, go for the chipper. Okay guys, we're just here at the wood chip. We are drying a lot of wood chip that's come in over there. You can see the piles of it. What's happened is our fine screener, which is running up here and goes into the box just there in the middle of the shot, just there, that isn't filling with fines. And when I take a look at the chip here, it's actually pretty dusty here around the back, so it's just not cleaning out the fines like it should do. So I've just spoken to the manufacturer. He advises giving that bottom auger, there's a double auger there, there's a top one that runs the clean fines out, there's a bottom one that runs the dirty fines out to the tube and into the box, so he recommends giving that a good smack. So I'm going to get it up there on the cage and give it a good whack and see if I can't dislodge any fines that are inside and blocking the grate between the two augers. Okay guys, we just got another truck coming now, so I'll get that pushed up once it's out the way. Just show you the fines seem to be working pretty well there. Fines are working well. Show you in there. Coming out there. So yeah, it's coming out a lot cleaner after banging that. Okay, so we just pushed that all up into heap using our grain pusher just behind me there. I'll go and take a look and see what the dozer's done. It's just been sitting up there. We had him working over the weekend, just smoothing out the side of our lagoon. So let's go check that out. Okay guys, so this is our new gradient bank. We stripped all the topsoil off and put it there, and I had some subsoil material left over from one of our projects, so I dumped it all in a line here. There's a little bit left down there which you can just still see, and I had Jamie from Willshift just pushing it out over the weekend. Well, he did this in one day basically. He's done a cracking job. So we'll put the topsoil back on, we'll spread that back out thin across this bun now, and yeah, we can then mow it nicely and use it. I've then got a few other loads just over there in the distance, which there's a bad rut that comes from the building down to the ditch over there, so we can use that product therefore just to blend that out and smooth out the road down basically. So we'll do that in a little bit. Okay. Okay, so I just pushed that little bit of earth in. We'll get some more just to make this level across nice and neat. I'm actually going to take down a few more trees in that direction, and then we've got pushing that bund there. That's from the old quarry. We don't need that anymore because there's no water going down this run anymore, so that we can have actually diverted the stream that way into the old quarry, and then we can get into these trees and start thinning them out, taking out all the dead ones, replanting, etc. So yeah, that dozer is definitely the right job for this, right tool for this job. Okay, so we've just split all this wood. This has all got to go into the dryer. We've just got a few orders of logs to come out. Kay's just working the telehandler there, going to pour these logs into the bags for our bagging system. So yeah.